I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce and store it updated. Begin by blanching tomatoes, removing skins and seeds, then rough chopping. Heat olive oil, sauté garlic until fragrant, add tomatoes and simmer gently. Stir in salt and torn basil late to preserve aroma. Reduce to desired thickness, taste and adjust seasoning, and cool properly before storing using recommended methods for freshness and safety. In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce and store it updated. Start by sweating onions and garlic in olive oil, then add chopped tomatoes and fresh herbs. Keep the heat low and simmer uncovered to concentrate flavors, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Taste midway and adjust salt, a pinch of sugar, or balsamic to balance acidity. Finish with fresh basil, cool slightly, and proceed to safe storage options. In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce and store it updated. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durable comfort in the kitchen. They make bending, stirring, and standing less annoying, and they match your favorite apron. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce and store it updated. For short-term, keep sauce in airtight containers in the fridge and use within a week. For longer storage, freeze in portioned freezer bags or jars, leaving headspace for expansion. If you choose canning, follow proper water bath steps and secure lids. Always cool sauce before sealing containers and label with date for rotation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.